Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Install the Speechify app or open the web player, then sign in. Once signed in, grant file, clipboard, and microphone permissions so imports work smoothly. This prevents later prompts that interrupt flow. You then pick a voice and set speed and language presets now, because choosing them upfront saves time when you import a document or paste text. Once done, you're ready to import content and move directly into the reading workflow. You import the material next. Paste text, upload a PDF or docx, or use the web clipper for articles. Once content is loaded, adjust voice, speed, and pitch, tweak in small increments until natural, slower for comprehension, faster for review. You can add bookmarks and highlights to mark key spots and create a playback queue for multiple files. Make sure to enable reading shortcuts and the sleep timer so you control sessions. This keeps long sessions organized and efficient. You finish by exporting or sharing. Choose MP3 export or copy a shareable link, then test playback on another device to confirm quality. Once exported, sync your account to keep bookmarks and settings consistent across devices. Enable auto-scrolling for follow-along reading if you need visuals. If something goes wrong, the first troubleshooting step is to re-import the text and clear the app cache. If audio still skips, export at a lower bitrate and retry, because file corruption or cache conflicts are common culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.